Hello, my name's Hannah, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really quick, yummy chicken pitta. So, all you need are some pittas. These are wholemeal. You can use white pitta, you could use wholemeal pitta, you could use gluten-free pitta, you can use any pitta you like. There's a whole load on the market. I think a better one to buy is a wholemeal because it's got a much more nutrition than white flour has, but you can start wherever you like. So I'm going to pop one in the toaster and get it a little bit golden. So what we're going to do is we're going to chop half an avocado, and we're going to use the avocado as an alternative to butter. Not because we don't like butter, we love butter, but I'm just going to try and give you some alternatives. And this is a nice smooth avocado, so it's going to break down and spread pretty quickly. I'm then going to use some cucumber because it's really good to have lots of different flavors and textures in any kind of sandwich. And a cucumber is really cool and refreshing. I've got my rocket leaves here, my good digestive leaves, a bit of watercress again, another digestive leaf. I'm going to tear them up together, and then I'm just going to coat them in a little bit of olive oil. Not too much, a splash. I'm going to give it a splash of balsamic vinegar as well. So just mix them up like that. Then we've got a spring onion here. Spring onions always bring a bit of life to any type of dish. And I'm just going to cut them again slightly on the diagonal and scatter them in my leaves. So once your pittas have popped, now the thing I always forget about pittas is that once you open them, the steam from them can really hit your fingers. So just be wary that they're very hot still, and just give them a little score down the middle so that heat can escape. Then break them in two. And we're gonna do a chicken one for those carnivores out there. And we're gonna do a vegan, vegetarian one for the non-carnivores. So, open up your pitta like that. We're gonna take our already spread avocado and pop it in. And then with a butter knife, just spread it down like that. So you do need to make sure that the avocado you've got is already ripe and soft. Then we're going to put some of our digestive watercress and rocket leaves in. We're going to stuff some cucumbers down the side. And then my favorite little sweetness, it's always good to add a little bit of sweetness to anything you're doing as well. And I'm going to add some pineapple, because pineapple's got this really lovely digestive enzyme in it called bromelain, and so it's really good for your gut. So we're just going to put a couple of pieces of pineapple into the middle of our pitta there, just to give it a little bit of flavor. So there we've got one. I'm going to do the same with the other one. And so if you are a meat eater, then you could use chicken, obviously you could use tuna in here, they all work really well. I'm going to use again, the avocado instead of the butter. You could just use some olive oil as well, or you could use some flavored oil. So we're going to put that in there, put our cucumbers down the side, in the middle put our digestive leaves, and then we're just going to thinly chop a few slices of chicken breast, which I've baked in the oven. Really simple and easy. No real flavor added to these because you've got all the flavor from the balsamic, the avocado, And there you've got a really quick and easy lunch. Chicken and pineapple pittas and cucumber and avocado. Ready for anyone.